ACCA is for those planning to settle with jobs abroad. Once you are a CA, do you really need any other professional qualification? Are you sure you want to take ACCA? It's so difficult. Completing ACCA is going to take such a long time. Shouldn't you think again? If you have ever expressed your intention to pursue ACCA, it is possible that people around you expressed beliefs which made you think whether should you really opt for the course or not. To help you decide on your future without being led astray, I am going to debunk the most popular myths surrounding ACCA. So stay tuned. Myth number one: ACCA is for those planning to settle with jobs abroad. The truth is that ACCA has amazing job opportunities in India as well as abroad. Not only do a lot of multinational companies and global consulting firms like EY, PwC, Deloitte, and KPMG have their offices in India, but also a lot of Indian companies have global operations. It means that a considerable number of companies in India want to hire talent who have global skills and applications. Such global competitiveness can be achieved only by pursuing a globally recognized qualification like ACCA. Myth number two: ACCA does not provide any support in terms of job placement. ACCA has a dedicated job portal with 7,300 approved employers to help you find internships and job placements. At jobs.eccaglobal.com, thousands of jobs are listed and these can be browsed on the basis of country, job roles, and sectors. These jobs encompass various diverse roles, including bookkeepers, business analysts, management accountants, tax consultants, treasurers, finance business partners, and so on. Further, jobs can span across various sectors like public practice, education and training, healthcare, and so on. Myth number three: ACCA is a very expensive course. To set the pretext right, spending on any qualification is not an expense, it is an investment. Investing the time and energy to learn something and becoming the best you possibly can at it will always accumulate dividends in your favor. Now let's compare the investment of some of the leading financial courses in India for a better idea. CA costs around 3.5 to 4 lakhs. MBA costs around 10 to 15 lakhs depending on the college you choose. CFA costs around 3.5 to 4 lakhs. And ACCA costs around 4 to 4.5 lakhs. The above amounts include registration fees, examination fees, fees for compulsory training programs, coaching fees, and the cost of books. Investment in ACCA is at par with the other financial courses, with salary packages in the range of 5 to 6 lakhs per annum. It means that payback period is of less than 1 year and the returns in terms of career options and growth are immense. Myth number 4: ACCA is only for corporate jobs. It is commonly believed that ACCA is worth only for pursuing corporate jobs and not for family run businesses or own startups. However, the fact is that ACCA is a global business qualification for professional jobs as well as entrepreneurs. Strategic decision making, financial strategies, professional ethics are covered in the ACCA syllabus, including papers on strategic business leadership, strategic business reporting, advanced performance management, and so on. These subjects enhance valuable skills in business management and strategy, apart from in depth knowledge of accounting and finance. Further, the case study based approach of ACCA exposes you to so many business models and cases that have happened in the world. You will be able to learn how to start a business from a scratch and take it to the next level. Myth number 5, clearing ACCA is very difficult. To become an ACCA professional, you must pass exams in 13 ACCA papers at 3 levels, complete an ethics and professional module, and gain 3 years of relevant work experience. The first 4 papers are computer based, objective exams, on demand, and can be taken throughout the year. From the 5th paper onwards, there are 4 exam windows each year in March, June, September, and December. Exams consist of a mixture of objective and subjective questions. In my opinion, the exams are very flexible and offer you to plan the scheme of exams as per your convenience. The pass percentage on exams is also very high. Further, there is no concept of aggregate marks or groups. So if you flunk in any one paper in your attempt, it is not going to impact the result of other papers. Myth number 6. It is required to travel abroad for ACCA exam. This is not true, as ACCA exams are conducted in India in various cities like Bangalore, Hyderabad, Kolkata, New Delhi, and so on. Examination centers can be selected while filling up the exam form. Myth number 7. ACCA isn't that useful in the workforce. Many large accounting firms, especially the Big Fours, urge their employees to pursue professional accounting qualifications like ACCA. In fact, some even subsidize the ACCA fees and give time off to study. Additionally, promotions and salary increments may be influenced by whether or not you have a professional accounting qualification. The reason for this is because having the ACCA qualification under your belt shows that you have got the right professional and technical knowledge. The last myth that we are going to debunk is myth number 8. Doing ACCA after CA does not add much value. ACCA definitely gives you an upper hand after the completion of CA, as it gives you access to the world of career opportunities at senior positions globally. ACCA aims to empower you with relevant analytical financial techniques and innovative thinking required for strategic and leadership positions. In fact, ACCA gives you due credit for being a chartered accountant and awards you with exemption in 9 out of 13 papers. So you can qualify to become an ACCA affiliate in a matter of 6 months by appearing in just 4 papers. There you have it. The 8 major myths about ACCA which may be stopping you from having a successful career. Now that I've successfully debunked them, you can confidently pursue this wonderful qualification and be on your way to becoming ACCA. Lots of luck! Do subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if you like this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.